Okay, in this short video, we're going to be looking at the Resident Evil 1 save room music. And I'm even going to throw the tab up on the screen so you can see it. We've got the capo on the 3rd fret. Also, real quick, I'm going to be talking about the chords and the frets as if the capo wasn't here, like you probably hear people do. So, just for example, this right here would be the 1st fret. You could play it with a pick. I like playing this with my fingers and kind of just lightly finger picking it. I think it gives it kind of a nicer mood, but the choice is yours really. Either way will work. Okay, anyway, let's go. So this is the first chord we're going to be using. And what we have here is really just a B minor shape, and you lift off your pinky and let the open G string ring out. And also include the open low E string in this. So what we have here is kind of a B minor / E. Since it has this open G in it, it has a, which you could call a sharp 5 in it, if you care. So that's the first chord we're using, and we're going to pick this out just from the low E string down like this. So one more time. Alright, the next chord we have is this one here. We're going to use our thumb to get this bass note here on the 1st fret. Then we're going to use our 3rd finger to get the 3rd fret A string. And then we're actually just going to skip the D string. On the G string, we have our middle finger on the 2nd fret. And on the B string, we have our 1st finger on the 1st fret. We're going to take our pinky and put that on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And when we play it, it's going to sound like this. What this is really just an F add 9 chord, and we throw in this little melody on the high end. And by the way, thank you for visiting Still Havens. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more to come. I think it's nice to put a little palm mute on this too, just particularly on the thicker strings, just the low E and the A string.